This kit comes with a rail for the table, which is, you can cut it to any length. Really fits neat when they're in flush. Doesn't come further past than most of your drawers or fittings. Much better than the stuff I've seen in the past. You tend to catch them. You've got a couple of clips that go over this so you can move the table up and down. And fixings for the leg, which basically folds up under the table, which lifts off, so you can store it in the van, and bottom section here that undoes and drops down. Obviously you're going to set it at the height so the table's flat. It's pretty obvious. And yeah, I've gone for I do this in black and sort of a matte satin black, and this silver, which is really nice, matches sort of all the colours I'm going for in this build. It matches that side there really well. So get the ply cut and the Formica on, and then fit it all and get the table done. Cut the ply to 75 length, 35 centimetres width, and then round the edges off with a really expensive tool there, ready for the T-trim. So cut that circular jigsaw round there, and route for the T-trim. Use contact adhesive spread, a piece of Formica, nice and thin. I'll probably use up to here, leaving back edge come round in the middle there basically. I've measured what I need across the back there, from there to there, 68.5 centimetres. So you'll end up with that fitted like that, with the two end caps, small gap either end to accommodate the tiny bit of overlap there. And then it's just a case of these clips inside over the end caps on. Good solid rail, and it's I mean, it's not even past the the T-trim I've got there. Obviously the table will go, these are underneath basically the table, and then they just clip over at your length. I've got it 35, so I normally sort of put them so there's, I don't know, maybe that much overhang. The choice then of having the table here, which is perfect, or what I do is I use the Thetford. I do a cover for the Thetford toilet, seat over there, and you can put this over so sort of two people can use it. Actually, there. So trim the top, get the top on, put the leg on. Okay, covered Formica top, T-trimmed, and the Fablon on the back to match what's in the van, just to make it a bit neat. Okay, brackets on the back normally allow 8 centimetres maybe, just to allow for when that bracket reaches here. You don't want it too far over, you won't be able to get the table either side. So I'll make them neater than that, but they're going on there, and I'll put the leg on and then done. And finally the leg, I kind of put that, well, obviously in the middle, but slightly more this end than that. Doesn't need to go right at the top or down this way. So secure that. There you go, done. Try and do this one-handed again. I need to start wearing my head thing. Okay, so basically the 2 pieces go there, and the leg drops down and adjusts. Yeah, that's screwed out. And there you go. I'm happy with that. It's gone really well. And obviously you can adjust across to there, or you can bring it right back. To there. Well, I'm sat on the bed, and that is absolutely perfect. The height, everything. And this Formica finish is good as well. Campervan table out of 15mm ply, Formica sheets, T-trim and clear cut Campervan's table kit, which is obviously the leg there and the rail and the brackets. Good bit of kit. Yep. Apart from all the rubbish I've got in here. That's what it's like with all my rubbish out of the way.